Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce our newest block of the month. This is called Santa's Sleigh. 9 months of Christmas, just joy. There's a lot going on in this quilt. No two sleighs are alike. We just could not resist coloring this with plenty of exciting fabrics and plenty of metallics and sparkle. Of course, that's what we expect at Christmas. So I invite you to join the fun. How we'll be running our program will be for 9 months. You'll get the background fabric, of course, your layout diagram, and all of that applique, pre-fused and laser cut. No tracing, no cutting needed. You get to just jump into the fun. In the 9th month, you'll not only get the fabrics to do the reindeer sleigh, but also the sashing, your inner border, outer border, binding, and even the backing we're going to be including in this kit. So we don't have a backing option for you because we're including that in your kit, and I love that. Everything is there. You can just enjoy the fun. Some of the options that are going to be available to you, I want to talk to you about 3 things that are just like come straight to my mind. Thread set. We have both 50 weight threads in there as well as metallic thread in there because we use so many metallic thread fabrics from Michael Miller's Fairy Frost. You can see the sparkle here. We're going to get some close-ups. Of course, Christmas to me is a lot of sparkle, so it's accentuated with that beautiful thread. Be sure to grab that thread set. Now, whenever I'm using metallic thread, I can't emphasize enough, 2 other things really help reduce breakage. That's the thread director here and also the Schmetz metallic needle. On the 50 weight side of the thread set, the super non-stick size 80-12 needles are really your go-to. Very affordable on those needles, a great investment. One package is going to last you probably forever, so go ahead and pick those up. And again, the thread director, an amazing tool, works with any sewing machine. If you're curious about that, I've done a video on that. Be sure to check that out. The other thing I cannot emphasize enough as we really zero in and look at the layering of the applique. Some projects don't have as involved of applique, and you don't necessarily need a light box and an applique pressing mat and an assembly diagram to really kind of get the registration just right. This project is very much needing a light source. That layout diagram we will be providing for you. And I love that applique pressing mat so that we can pre-assemble all of those things with the beautiful illumination of the light, iron those together, being able to move them onto the background, and now we'll be able to stitch it down with our beautiful thread. It's a great process. And if you've never seen that process, I will be providing supporting videos to show you exactly how that works. This is the wafer 1 light box. This is the smaller applique mat. Those are the ones you're looking for. And I'll be talking you through how to use these. It's an absolutely incredible project. And I don't do applique anymore without them. Some of the other things that you might want to consider, of course, creative grid rulers. We have the 8.5 by 24.5 inch and our 1.5 by 12.5. We use that to be able to cut our sashing strips on that. The fresh blade in the rotary cutter, of course. And I know our makers emphasize that on some of the smaller pieces, they enjoyed using these Martelli kind of tweezers. You can see the eyes of our snowman, even kind of Santa's cheeks. It's hard to get our fingers in there, especially if you've got nails. It's nice to have that tool just to help grab those things. A few of the embellishments that are included here. We have some beautiful beads as we zero in on our give block in the center of our poinsettias. Those things will also be included in your kit, as well as that embroidery fossil that you'll be using in block 1 and again in block 9. This is one you don't want to miss out on. It's so fun. I love the message of Merry, Give, Noel, Enjoy, more positivity. We need that in the world right now. And it's, of course, wonderful to display. And I love that it's not taking up a big space on the wall. You can be displaying this year over year. So thanks for giving me part of your day to show you our newest block of the month, Santa's Sleigh. I'll see you soon on another video.